Quench your thirst. Learn English through Beverage Recipes. Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore the world of beverages. From the way we talk about them to the way we make them, beverages are a fun and essential part of learning English. Let's dive right in. Beverages are what we call any liquid we drink for nourishment or pleasure. They can be cold or hot, sweet or bitter, simple or complex. Here are some examples. Coffee and tea. These are everyday beverages for many people around the world. Soft drinks. These are sweet, often carbonated, non-alcoholic drinks. Juices. These are liquids extracted from fruits or vegetables. Cocktails. These are mixed alcoholic drinks. Smoothies. These are blended beverages often made from fruits, yogurt or milk, and ice. When making beverages, there are many important words and phrases to learn. Blend. To mix things together until smooth. Used often when making smoothies. Stir. To mix with a spoon or a stick. Pour. To make a liquid flow from a container. Boil. To heat a liquid until it starts to turn into gas. Steep. To soak in water to extract the flavor, like when you make tea. Describing what we drink is just as important as knowing how to make them. Here are some adjectives often used to describe beverages. Sweet. High in sugar. Bitter. The opposite of sweet. Coffee without sugar is often bitter. Creamy. Rich and smooth, like a milkshake. Refreshing. Makes you feel cool and revitalized, like lemonade on a hot day. Strong. High in taste or alcohol content. Let's put these words into action with a simple recipe for a refreshing summer drink. Lemonade. First, squeeze the juice from 4 lemons. Next, pour the juice into a pitcher. Then, stir in a cup of sugar until it dissolves. After that, add 4 cups of cold water and mix well. Finally, serve over ice for a refreshing, sweet and slightly tart beverage. And that's it. We've now covered the vocabulary related to beverages, how to make them, and how to describe them. Remember, practicing is key. So try to use these new words in your daily life, whether you're ordering a drink at a cafe or making a homemade smoothie. Cheers to your English learning journey.